when Mayor Xiao ran for councilor, nindot lang kay itong iyang approach sa ako. Kay di ko malimot atong iyang gisulti sa ako nga ang atong buhaton animian makatabang og daghan tawo sa iligan.
How was the transition?
Because of a common principle, wala kay ko maglisod. Ang ako lang is the atmosphere of adjusting sa academ ug sa local government. Lahi siyang dynamics. By nature, a social worker serves with empathy. So when you serve with empathy, regardless kung unsay characteristics or unsay personality sa tao, makakita ka og unsay maayong approach unsaon pag serve sa tao.
Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office. Tell us more about this department.
This is a very challenging office.
Pero as far as kanang isa ka prepared nga city, you think in your evaluation we have enough?
Sa disaster manggod, man-made or natural, wala gitawag nga enough. To any disaster, our main objective is zero casualty.
You are the EMB chairman of the 2025 Diandi Festival.
We have 105 events.
105?
Yes.
Kadaghan ba di ka na, ma'am?
Daghan kayo. From August 29 to September 29. This year's theme is panagiusa sa kultura, pagpadayon sa tradisyon. It's the only place in the Philippines na non-Catholics, Muslim, and Lumads nagsayaw sa gawas sa katedral during pagpakanaog.
Ma'am, istorya ning mga highlights.
Number one is, of course, ang atong street dancing, no? Of course, ang Miss Iligan.
Miss Iligan.
No, Miss Iligan. Tagaan natong panahon ang pagpakanaog to make it solemn.
Wow.
Aside from the usual activities that we do during fiesta, kaning mga cultural shows nato, like Lantaw, is a glimpse of our Iligan culture. Of course, we have Bamboo. September 1 will be the official opening of Mugna. Nakakitay mga fireworks. And for the first time, naatay drone showing. Mangutana mo, unsa man ang drone showing? Dito na lang mo tanaw.